Okay, so first off, I just want to review the different places and ways to add and edit attributes to your Shop the Row inventory. And then after that, we'll talk a little bit about some advice on what attributes are useful to add to capsule collections. So first off, any place you see attributes, you'll also see, usually it'll look like this until you add one. You just click the add button and that allows you to type in what you're looking for. The value will appear once the attribute's there. So you can use existing ones if you want to type, or if you want to add something new, you would just type it all the way out and click create, and that creates that new item in the list. So this is on your edit an item page. This is on your add an inventory the old way, one at a time. This is this is bulk upload if you're uploading many items at once. You have default settings. You can add attributes that go for everything that you put in the image files here. And then you can also do it just on each item. Once you've added your photos, you can edit and change attributes right here on each item. So the next thing that you can do is edit your attributes. When you edit attributes for photos, you'll be taken to the bulk edit page. You'll see previews of the items that you're about to change, and you'll see the option to add or overwrite an attribute. And then you also could click any of the attributes that are on any of these photos to remove them from all of the photos. The way you get to the bulk edit page is a couple places. You can find it from your inventory page. Once you click something, select it, you scroll all the way down past posting and down to the bottom. You click edit selected, it'll take you to bulk edit. And the other place is in your manual listings page, this old guy. You would click an item to select it, shift click to select a group, control click to remove individual items or add them. Down at the bottom is edit selected here. So again, that takes you to the bulk edit page. So really quick, taking a look at these items that I have up here on my manual listings that I was looking at. Some of the advice that I would give for adding information to capsules is to make it as useful as possible to yourself. So I have items in my inventory left over from 2016 Halloween. So I like that by using Capsule Halloween, I will be able to group everything from any time that's Halloween related. And then by having the year, I can also then still narrow it down if I want to specific years of Halloween. If I only want to show someone the vintage items from last year, or if I only want to show someone the new things. Then the last thing that's really useful I find with attributes is, and I do this with my outfits as well, I group my outfits in many ways. But for a capsule collection, oftentimes it's not worth it to post an album just of Halloween Irmas. So maybe I want to say I'm going to do Halloween shirts. And so I ordered classic tees and I ordered Irmas, and I'm going to put them in the same album in my group. So by adding the attribute type and top for classic tees and for Irmas, I've essentially created a quick search for all of my Halloween tops. And I'll show you how to do that in the next section that has to do with posting. But basically, you just kind of think of like all the different ways you would want to group your inventory together. If you have outfits that you want to be able to group outfits with leggings and outfits that don't have leggings, or 2-piece outfits and 3-piece outfits. However you want to be able to group your inventory, those are the types of things that you would add as attributes and values to your individual items in your inventory. So next we'll talk about how to take those attributes and utilize them to control when and where your things post on Facebook.